Now, give us an insight into the legal framework of when people try to seek asylum within a country, can they be turned away?
Thank you very much. First of all, when they apply asylum, they have to be heard properly. They have to be conducted. Actually, firstly, they have to conduct a screening interview, then a full interview. And during that time, they have to provide a shelter, a food, proper care, plus, minimum stationery like pens, cigarettes, and these sort of things, like basic facilities which should be provided in any detention. It should be provided in U.S. detention centers as well. And the law which govern these rules is Eighth Amendment of U.S. Constitution. So in this one, like they can't be punished cruelly. They can't be leave like that in sort of bad situations. Like the children were kept in these situations in U.S. detention centers. So laws are very clear about detention. Secondly, there is a refugee law. Which governed by
Barrister Aslam, just on that point where you're saying that the law is clear about how to house these migrants and the asylum seekers, you're mentioning that they must be provided with basic necessities. Now, the reports coming in from those who have visited the detention camps and detention sites within the southern border in the U.S. have claimed that there are children as young as 5 months old, but they don't have clean clothes, they don't have water to take showers for over a month, they don't have food, they have to stand up because there's overcrowding. Is this legal or illegal under international law?
Yeah, under United Nations Convention for Human Rights, they can separate children from their father or mother or their parents, but they have to provide proper shelter. Like they can transfer those children to any families who can provide proper care, food, bed, and every basic necessities of facilities. It can't be leave like that. You can't leave children in that inhuman conditions. Like people saw the photos and videos, lawyers visited those detention centers. It can't be treated in that manner. Like laws are very clear. There are some basic principles which U.S. government has to follow, which has not been followed.
Right.
If you see the pictures, they were in dirty clothes. They were in bad conditions. Food were not properly provided to them. So U.S. government has violated their basic laws and basic principles, which, yeah.
Right.